So I'm sharing my screen, guys. Let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this website is responsive one, guys. That means you will be able to access this website either through laptop, desktop, or mobile. Okay. It fits. Okay. So here right now we are having our earlier training contents on SQL and Power BI. So if you want to go through SQL training content, just click on start learning. So here we will have a list of sessions that we conducted day wise, and each day what is the session that we conduct, and randomly if I go with this one, day 3 session. Okay, so you will be able to see content this way. Day 3 SQL Server database creation and metadata. This is video session which is recorded one, and here the topic content, whatever topic, the particular technology related topic that we discussed in that session, that is made available here, the content you can go through. And session content, in the session we used to create some content, like while explaining about that particular concept, we will be using some sample data, some images. Okay, so that particular content will be giving you here for your reference. So either you can go through video directly, else you can go to the topic content and you can correlate that particular content here with the slides or image or content that we given here. Okay, so that at any point of time you can have that feel of the real-time learning of that particular session, instead of having a feel of it's just a recorded video. Okay, so at any point of time you can go back to our website by clicking on by website homepage by clicking on this icon. Okay, so this is brief about our website, guys. So make use of these videos at maximum. Okay, so I'm closing this, and guys, I need some information about um, okay, so I need some information about you people, guys. Can you please ping in the meeting chat? Please check whether you will be able to access the meeting chat here. So this icon, you're able to access this icon or not from your meeting console. If you're able to access, just give me information like your qualification and gap in the sense like 2 years or 5 years, something like that. Or if you are a fresher, just give me fresher like this. And current now, um, looking for a job, already an employee. If you are an employee, just ping employee, or else you like searching. I need only this information. I need only this information, guys. Can you please ping me so that I can understand what is the level of level or complexity, or whether basic or advanced or complex, which level I need to follow while discussing these concepts. Okay, BTech last. Okay, Santosh, thanks. Sridhar, so guys, we are having Meda Sridhar in our group, so who will be coordinating all the trainings. So at any point of time, if you have any discussion or any query related to our trainings, you can reach him. And Sridhar, once everyone gives this information, just collect all the information in a sheet. Okay, so the qualification, pressure, or an employee are searching for a job. Okay, yeah, thanks, Sridhar. Okay, so welcome, guys. My name is Suman. Okay, I'm having around 13 years of IT experience, and I'm having passion in training people. Okay, that's why we have started this already a platform to make people understand and learn the suitable IT technologies which do not require much programmatical skills. Okay, so the idea behind learning, training you people on SQL and SQL related technologies is um, a data related market is going to have huge opportunities in the near future. Okay, um, you might have heard about machine learning, artificial intelligence, everything, right? These days. Okay, so all this machine learning and artificial intelligence, all these technologies or all these features are evolving based on the data, available data. Okay, so which is nothing but, see, um, whenever you go to Amazon app, so there you are trying to buy some product. That time Amazon application itself suggests you, okay, this way. The users who purchased this product also purchased below products. Please go through them once. I believe like every one of you are having it's that kind of experience, right, guys? On any platform, either Amazon or Flipkart, if you go to purchase a product, it will automatically suggest you the users who already purchased this product or already purchased below product. Please have a look. What does it mean? It is maintaining data internally, saying, second, I'm opening Paint. So Amazon already maintaining some data internally, saying when some user purchase a product A purchased, who purchased product A also purchased product B and C. So what it is maintaining internally, it is maintaining product A, B, C are relevant ones. Okay. So this way, what they're doing, if any new user comes to that Amazon app, and if when he try to look at this product, saying, okay, what is this product, what are these features, what is the pricing, and what are the offers that I have, automatically at the end it is showing reviews, as well as at the end it will show something, some notification like user who purchased product A also purchased B and C. So this way it is showing some notification. So what does it mean, guys? How it helps Amazon or the end user? Who is going to get benefited through this kind of advertising, guys? With this statement, who is going to get benefited? User or Amazon, guys? Amazon, guys, because user came to their platform to purchase a product A, but Amazon able to advertise themselves to push user, to motivate user to buy the product A along with B and C. Okay, this is their strategy. And how they are able to come to this kind of conclusion, guys? Based on the data, available data. What kind of data? It is historical data. Historical data in the sense past sales transactions. Past in the sense a sales transaction which is made at 6:14 p.m. today, which is made at 6:14 p.m. today is a past sales transaction. That is history, right? If you have not yet made any order, if you have not yet booked any order, that is not your history. Once you book your order, then it will become history, right? So based on that data, they are able to draw conclusions like this around the data. Okay, and there will be some forecast. And let's suppose these guys, Geomart or More or Walmart, these guys are having retail supermarkets, right? Retail supermarkets. So they will be having their sales data analyzed such a way that, let's suppose, what is this? We are at 28th November. 28th November 2023. Okay. So we know this is not any festival season because already festival season Dasara and Deepavali gone. Okay. So what these people will do, if there is any new near festival season, they will look at that. Okay. So in the calendar, they will be having the next festival season is Christmas, Christmas and year end. Okay. It will fall on something dates like this. Okay. 25th December. So this is year end, nothing but something I'll say 25th December to 1st Jan 2024. Okay. Okay. So this is my upcoming festival season. So these people, retail supermarket people, need to have some information in hand about its previous year sales transaction to draw information like what kind of stock they need to maintain it in terms of both, like in terms of variety, what kind of, and quantity. It can be variety, nothing but it can be like grocery or clothes, anything else, or cosmetic, anything. One second, guys. Okay, so when this question arises, what kind of stock they need to maintain in terms of variety and quantity, it will be like variety, nothing but grocery, cosmetics, clothes, everything. Okay. Now, how it helps, guys? How it helps this retail supermarket, guys? What is simply what they do? They'll go to their historical data, nothing but during to December 1st to December 31st, 2022. What is that sales? Previous year sales. Okay. And for the same period, for the same period, what is category wise sales? Nothing but category, I told you, right? Grocery. Okay. Clothes, cosmetics. So please ignore spelling mistakes here, guys. So this way they'll try to draw some reports based on the previous year data. Okay. With that, if they understand, okay, during this period, grocery sales are high, and they'll also look at what is the quantity that sold. Let's suppose 5 tons quantity sold last year, grocery. So what they simply do, they are going to, what does it mean, guys? In the last year, December 1st to December 31st in the year 2022, if they're having sales of 5 tons of grocery, what kind of information this historical data is giving, guys? These for this retail guys, what kind of information it is giving? What they did through their historical data, they simply taken a report. What is the quantity of grocery that got sold out during last year of same period? Same period, nothing but December 1st to 31st. So it means it is giving us some insight saying, what is the insight, guys? Its insight is this year, this year, minimum stock to be maintained is 5 ton. Agree with me, guys? Everyone? Guys, agree with me? Guys, with this historical data, the insight this retail supermarket guy is getting is the minimum stock to be maintained this year is minimum side 5 ton. Agree with me, guys? I'm saying this is insight with the historical data. Guys, able to follow me?
Yes, Suman.
So this is year 22 and here year 2023. Year 2022, year 2023. So if this is historical data, historical sales data, their sales history. Through the sales history, by analyzing their sales history, they are concluding this year minimum stock to maintain to be is 5 ton. Okay. And what will be their target, guys? Minimum stock to be maintained is 5 ton. And if I am the retail supermarket owner, what I'll tell, I'll take out this historical data. Okay, last time 5 tons got sold out. Okay, so this time make it like improve our sales by 25%. If I say 25%, now tell me guys, what is the target, grocery target to be? What is the grocery target for this year? If I say by looking at this data, stock to be maintained is 5 ton, and I'm giving a target of 25% sales improve, increase at 25% sales on groceries. Now tell me guys, so as per the target, how many tons we have to sell it? We have to sell 6.25. So 25% of 5 tons is 25% of 5 ton is how much? 1 point
1.25.
1.25 ton. And what is our actual target?
6.25.
6.25.
5 ton plus 1.25 ton. This is 6.25 ton is our target. Clear guys? Clear? See, we are also retail supermarket owners just analyzing their data to draw these conclusions. They are not yet, this December 1st to December 31st season is not yet started. Clear? Is this season started guys? No, we are still on 28th November. The season not yet started. But before the start of season, they are doing all this analysis. True or not? Then only their business will grow. So what they'll do? Okay. So supermarket owner insists their workers, guys. Last year 5 tons grocery we have sold out. Now this year you try to focus on increasing that percentage by 25. Increasing that percentage by 25, so that my total grocery my total grocery sales needs to be 6.25 ton minimum side. Okay, so supermarket guys, the workers in the supermarket guys will come with some ideas. Okay sir, we will target for 6.25 tons, but we need to give some offers, we need to provide some offers. Okay, like something they'll come up with. Okay, 1 liter oil is 150 rupees, and go for 5 liter oil only for 700 rupees. Now, what is a customer? The end customer, how much saving that he look at, guys? What's the end customer that is looking at by purchasing 5 liter oil for 700? What will be the saving, guys, for the end customer? How come? With 1 liter price at 150 rupees, 5 liters will become how much?
750.
750.
750.
750 rupees. 750 rupees. Okay. But what is the offer they are giving? 1 second. What is the offer they are providing, guys? 5 liter oil at 700 rupees. If they go and purchase 5 liter oil directly, then they are getting 700 at 700 only. Then saving will be 50 rupees. This is the target. Now here guys, if you look at the proportion, if you look at the proportion, which proportion is higher? Proportion. So here two things involved. What are two things, guys? Think. What are two things involved here? Quantity and what is the other thing? In this offer, two things involved, guys. First is quantity, 1 liter or 5 liter. And what is the other thing, guys?
Quality.
Price. Quantity and price. See, two things we are discussing. Liter, 1 liter, 5 liter. And the price. 1 liter price is 150. 5 liter price is 700. Something like this. Clear? Quantity and price. Now, here we see which guy is winning the race. When it comes to customer, What will be the proportion of saving their money, guys? 50 rupees out of 750. How much? 6%. 200. 6% is they are saving 6%. When I talk in terms of percentage, they are saving, overall saving is 6%. 200, guys. Guys, following me?
Yes, sir.
Their overall saving is 6%. Something like 6.6 is, if you round up that, okay. 6.66% is their saving if they go with 5 liter. Okay. Now, supermarket guys, what they are achieving guys here? How many times they are increasing their sales? 500%. If I say 500% true, I mean, is my statement true or false? Where customer came to supermarket to purchase only 1 liter oil, just think this scenario, 1 liter oil only. You may go supermarket with an idea to purchase 2 liter, 3 liter. But best case, if you pick up, if a guy enters supermarket with an idea of purchasing 1 liter oil, and if they give offer for like this 5 liter oil at the rate 700 rupees with a saving of 50 rupees, then if they opt this option, what is the returns, guys? Returns are how much sales increase they are achieving, supermarket guys. If I say 1 liter oil is 100%, purchasing 1 liter is 100%, their intention. If I make them to purchase 5 liter oils, so how much percentage we are increasing their sales, guys? 5 times. They are increasing their sales 5 times. So he is going to benefit it here, guys. And even though the entire 700 rupees is not a profit, either for the customer or the retail guys, but let's suppose if they are getting some 20 rupees margin on 1 liter oil, if they make their customers to purchase 5 liter oil with the offer, then they'll be getting overall 100 rupees profit on 5 liter oil. Okay. But when it comes to sales, not the profit part, only the sales, where in the place of 1 liter, I'm able to make customer to purchase 5 liters oil, which is like 5 times of their actual plan. Clear, guys? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So how these retail supermarket guys able to improve or increase their business in terms of both quantity and profits? How they are able to perform? I mean, able to achieve this? Just as simply because of the availability of their data digitally. Can I say this statement? The availability of their sales data digitally, then only they'll be able to draw information like this. Okay, what is the sales information for the same period, like December 1st to December 31st last year, and what was the sales on the major categories in terms of quantity, and I'll fix a target this year. I'm going with the 25% increase. Okay, based on that, they will have the offers, and they'll make customers to feel happy and satisfied with limited offers. Okay, with small savings at the customer end, but the margin that supermarket guy is getting more. So this is one use case, guys. The main intention of explaining this use case is the power of availability of data digitally. If you do not have this data available digitally in the sense somewhere it is available in a database or in an Excel form, then only you will be able to compute this information quickly. Imagine a scenario where you are maintaining in the supermarket, instead of maintaining any system, you are you're keeping a book to record all your sales transactions. Okay, let's suppose you're keeping a book with some 4 or 5 columns, some simply like date, product, next quantity, price. total sales. Okay, so let's suppose you're having this kind of a book maintained in your supermarket. If I say okay, 28th November, product sugar, um, quantity is some 5 kg, and price is certain, yes, okay, no problem. 5 kg price is 40 rupees, and the total sales, what will be the total sales now? Yes, 200 rupees. Okay, this way, if you maintain a book and in your supermarket per day, per day sales transaction count is 1000, let's suppose. Now for 30 days period, how many transaction will happen, guys? How many transaction that you need to record in your big book which you maintain to track all the sales? Per day sales transaction count is 1000, and if you are having a month of 30 days, what will be the entire month related sales transactions that needs to be recorded in the book?
30,000.
30,000.
30,000.
30,000. Perfect. Yeah. Per month with 30 days, on average 30 days, 30,000. And on an average per day, on an average per day, you need 10 pages. You need 10 pages to maintain one single day records, one single day related sales transaction. Per day, per day, sales recorded in 10 pages. Now tell me, for 30 days, how many pages that we need to use to record all
300
monthly
pages.
transaction?
300.
300.
300.
Okay, per month pages. So when I say pages, both sides. Okay, 300 pages. Now imagine. Now imagine. I hope everyone is clear about like what is grocery, right, guys? Can you tell me some
Yes.
top items like the major items of grocery?
Rice. Oil.
Something like this. Dal, I'll say. Okay, I'm taking only the major things. Okay. Now, out of these 1000 transaction per day, you may have grocery related sales happened or small stationery related. What are stationery items, guys?
10 pen,
Book,
pencil,
pen, pencil.
eraser.
Yeah, perfect. So like that, stationery. Okay. So I'll say soaps. So, okay, something like this.
Dettol.
Yeah, okay. Total something kind of. So we'll be having different products available under different categories. So this is called category. This is called category. Now you are not going to maintain any. Sorry, I'll be maintaining type, product type also here. Product type. Now tell me this transaction comes under which category, guys?
Grocery.
This grocery. Perfect. This comes under grocery. This comes under grocery. Okay. Now, so if I ask you, give me a report for a month on product category, product type, like this: grocery, stationery, soaps. Give me a category wise report. What is the total sales for the product type wise? report for a month. For a month. So I'm asking you product type wise report for a month, like nothing but okay. Grocery 800, stationery grocery 8 lakhs, stationery 5 lakhs, or so some 3 lakhs. This way, if I ask you pull a report using this kind of data available in a book, then how much time you need, guys? And also tell me whether if you're able to pull out this kind of information from the book, are you sure whether the given data is accurate? If I ask you, go and recheck one more time because I'm seeing some difference. If I say it that way, then again, how much time it takes? Okay, okay. Tell me, guys, how painful this is. If I ask you, if I assign a job like this, whether the job is painful and painful, or it's a quick one, like user will be able to give this kind of report if they have data available in this book, in this kind of record keeping book. Tell me, guys.
It takes more time to analyze the data.
It
More
took
times.
definitely, yeah, it will definitely take more times because here, if I ask for a report for a month, product category wise, product type wise report, then how many pages and how many days related data I need to analyze here, guys? How many pages I need to look into?
300 pages.
You
30
need to
days.
refer all 300 pages.
Yeah, for 30 days period, I need to refer 300 pages. I have to go for going through all 300 pages, and I have to separately maintain a separate paper with me saying grocery, stationery, soaps. And for beside grocery, I have to write this way, something this way. Uh, I have to write something like this. Okay, day one, 100 rupees, 250 rupees, 240 rupees. Like this, I need to keep adding the things. True or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this, you have
Yes,
to go for
yes.
keep adding sales of stationery by going through all 130. See, I'll go to page one. Okay, in page one, okay, this is grocery. Okay, 800 rupees. Let's add 800 rupees. Let's add 800 rupees. Okay, in case I'm adding one more entry on the 29th November, I'll add books. Okay, so if I say 10 books, 30 rupees, it will be 300. And what is the type, guys?
Stationary.
Stationery. So if I have second sale entry in the book like this, then I'll go on go to stationery. I'll add 300 rupees as sales. So like this, I'll go through transaction by transaction recorded in my book, and then I have to keep adding the total sales of that particular transaction based on the type of the product that got sold in that transaction. Clear? So it's a very painful job because you are maintaining all this sales information in a book this way. Per day, you're having 1,000 sales transaction. Per month, you're having 30,000 sales transaction. And to record your sales transactions, it takes 10 days, 10 pages for a single day related to sales transactions. So for 30 days, it will become 300 pages. Okay. And see here, guys. And the other two other things also like important here. It's like manual thing. And what's the problem here? One more thing, guys. Manual thing. Analyzing issues, analysis issue. True or not? Due to manual maintenance. No, it no non analysis issue due to it is digital or non-digital. The data maintained in your use case is digital one or non-digital one, guys. Digital one, nothing but which is maintained in a system, an electronic device. Okay, it's a non-digital system. And if I ask you whether this data is safe or not, how far this data is safe, guys? until the book is not damaged, not burned out, or not eaten by bugs. True or not? True or not?
Yes,
Yes.
As
sir.
as is a
Yes.
manual
Yes.
book, there are chances that this book go when attacked by fire, it will go away. Or when it is attacked by bugs, then it will go away. You do not have any track of your previous sales because there is no safety at all for your data. And other thing, security. Security. Can you ensure any security on the data which is available on a book, guys? Never. The reason is whoever person having access to that book can have all the sales information in their hand. And I'll give you one more the point in this use case. See, here along with the product related sale entry, they are maintaining sale type in the book, something like this. So if they maintain this as credit, this grocery transaction happened on a credit mode, and the next transaction happened on cash and carry. I'll say CNC, cash and carry. Otherwise, I'll write cash and carry. I'll write this way, cash and carry. So which data is important among these two records, guys? For the shop owner, which particular record is more important? Credit entry, because for this sales transaction he haven't received any money, no money received for this sales transaction. The reason is because he has given the product on credit basis. What's the meaning of credit, guys? Take product today and pay the money sometime later, either 1 day later, 1 week later, 1 month later, something kind of that. So which particular transaction will be key thing for the customer, for the shop owner? Credit entry are more important because he has given his product away to the customer and he haven't received money for that particular sales transaction. He has given product but not received any money. In case of this transaction, his product gone out, like 10 books got sold out, and he has received money there. So no problem with this second entry. Get my point, guys? Not only loss of your sales transaction, which helps you during analysis, it is also going to impact you in terms of monetary things. How? If any sales transaction happen on a credit basis, and after some time if your data lost, like due to, as it is a non-digital one, if it is burnt out or eaten by bugs, that book gone or that book is missing, that time you lost your or loss will be in two way. You will not be having access to your previous data, as well as you will be not having any access to your credit transaction happen, which you are going to collect in the future. Getting my point, guys? Yes, able to understand?
Yes, Sumant.
So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
risk. This is the risk and disadvantages in maintaining key information. Key information. Sales information is very key because that's a key thing for your business, right? You need to maintain securely, safely, and you need to have access to that particular data at any point of time. For a supermarket business or any grocery store, having access to previous sales information is very key thing. Okay, that's why you need to have this information available digitally. If it is available digitally, there are no chances of missing this data due to manual errors. Due to manual errors, something like missing this book or missing this book attacked by fire or bugs. So there are no chances, like we'll be safe when we have our data digitalized. Okay, the impact or the loss that we are going to incur in case of maintaining our data manually in the form of a book, the loss can be two types. We'll be missing access to our previous sales history, and you'll be losing all the credit related information which you are going to collect in the future from the customers. It's like you borrowed some product on credit basis. Remember that. And even though, let's suppose this book is very safe and securely maintained by you, Okay. Even though in that case, the analysis becomes more complex. Analysis becomes more complex because on an average per day I'm having 1,000 sales transactions. So per month I'll be having 30,000 sales transactions. And for me it takes 10 pages to record all 10 one day related sales transaction. So overall for 30 days it will become 300 pages. So every single day if I go and draw a particular month or week or report, I need to go through those many pages to manually to consolidate and prepare a report. Even the book is safe and secure, securely maintained by shop owner, then analysis becomes painful. If analysis takes more time, then you're going to miss key insights from your business. Insights. So what was the insight, guys, last time? In the last time,
Someone unable to hear you.
you guys able to hear me?
Yes.
Now it's okay.
Yeah, okay. So, okay. So what was the last year what was the insight that I got from the other use case that we discussed initially today? Last year's grocery sales is 5 ton. That was the insight I got. After that insight, what improvement I made in business, guys? What is the improvement I made?
25%.
What's yeah, by
25%.
setting by setting my target, setting my target 25% of more sales on previous year sales. This was a improvement I made in the system. How I'm able to achieve this? Through the availability of historical data. So basically I'll have data. Data nothing but this sales transaction is data. The above sales transaction is one record, one cell data. On the data, on the data, what I'll do, guys? I'll analyze. We'll analyze. Okay. After analyzing, what we are going to achieve? What we are going to conclude or draw? We are going to draw insights. Insights. Your data, your business data is getting captured as your business grows. After some time, you will be able to analyze your data this way and you will be going to get some insights, and based on the insights, you can plan further step to expand or earn more profits. Insights used to expand your business or improve business. Clear, guys? Yes, clear? Everyone able to understand how the data, digitally
Yes, sir.
available data helps us? So if your data is available digitally, then it helps us to analyze and draw insights, and based on the insights you can improve by applying some strategies. You can expand or improve your business. Okay, this way you will keep growing. Your growth must not be stopped due to any of the constraint. Okay, so this way people use the data in the digitalized format, guys. So the availability of data in the digital format helps us. One second, what happened? The digitally available data helps us to draw insights from our past business. Remember, This particular analysis will be performed only on the historical data, past data. True or not? The analysis happens on the historical data, last year data, last week data, previous day data, yesterday's data. This way, you're going to analyze data, historical data, and based on that, your future, how your future needs to be. So based on that, you will decide your future plans. Clear? Clear,
Yes,
guys?
Suman.
Okay. So this way, there is a need of digitalizing data. Digitalizing data. We are having need of digitalizing data. Once data is digitally available, what are the advantages, guys? What are the advantages?
Easy to access,
Easy to access,
More secure,
more
security,
secure,
data integrity.
understandable,
understandable, perfect, understandable, and easy for analysis. Once you're able to analyze your data easily, then you can draw insights. Once you are able to draw insights, you can improve business. Okay, remember, guys. And see, whenever you get a service from IRCTC or some other Redbus related travels that you opt for, they'll ask for some feedback. Remember, guys, everyone? I mean, who traveled frequently through
yes,
IRCTC
yes,
or
to me.
Redbus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, what is that? Redbus or Abibus, even RTC guys also started this. Okay, they'll simply ask for feedback. Even if you go for a food ordering platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, what they're asking for, how was your experience? They're asking or not? Whether they're giving you few predefined options. What are the predefined options, guys? They'll give with when you go for ordering on a food ordering platform. Something like, okay, how was your delivery experience?
Rating of restaurant.
Restaurant in terms of taste or timing. Okay, this way they are collecting this data. They're simply collecting data here, guys. Simply collecting data, and after that, which particular part, like after collecting this feedback, after collecting this feedback, which particular point here, which particular action starts here, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have listed 6 advantages. So once you have feedback in hand, from what point you are going to improve your business? Through these three. True or not? Once you have feedback and data available in your hand, guys, so what you'll do? What we'll do, guys? We'll simply analyze the data and draw insights and improve your business. So once you receive feedback for a travel and red bus um, saying, okay, so rash driving something, or the cleanliness in the bus is not good, or otherwise you have given, okay, some positive feedback saying on time, on time arrival, on time departure, something like that. So we have positive and negative feedbacks. So based on that, they will analyze and they will prefer their future. They'll prefer their future business. Like they'll get prepared for their future business. I'll say what is future business, guys. See, these platforms, travel platforms will be operating their travels only, and food ordering platforms will be operating their food orders, taking orders and delivering them. But where it matters, by collecting feedback and analyzing and drawing insights and improving business, where it matters, guys, whenever you go next time, the future customer comes to your platform. So let's suppose I'm a new or I'm a new app user on Redbus. I'm going to search for buses from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Okay, I'll be having in the result I'll be shown with 10 buses of different operators, government operators and private operators. And what's the key thing that you look at when you have a travel listed for your desired travel here? Two things we look at: price and rating. True or not, guys? These are the
Yes.
two first things that we
Yes,
look at.
yes.
Price. Okay. Basically, we'll go for opting the minimum price one, which is having good rating. True or not, guys? It doesn't mean,
Yes. Yes, yes.
and also remember, it doesn't mean the low price travel is not going to be good, and high price travel it is going to be awesome. These two statements are false. True or not? Low price travel is not going to be good. This statement is not correct. Similar way, high price travel is going to be awesome. These two statements, I'll say from my side, these two statements are false. Low price travel might not have good experience, but all low price travels are not going to be good. This statement is false. High price travel might give you some additional features like blanket, water bottle, biscuit packet, something in the bus, but it doesn't mean that that experience, the travel experience is going to be awesome. So that's why we humans, what we prefer when I go for opting a travel for my journey, then the two important things that I go for verify is price and rating. Price and rating. So if price comes my in, I'll go for the best rated vehicle under my budget. So what everyone optimal, guys? Best rated. How many people agree with statements?
It's true.
True, right? It's true. Best rated vehicle under our budget. We will prefer this. And how Redbus guys cannot travel under every single bus which they are going to provide as part of their platform. True or not? Redbus guy is operating vehicles from different locations, X location to Y location to Z location to X, like that. On a single day, they'll be having some thousand services offering. And Redbus guy cannot go and sit on each and every vehicle, and he cannot give the feedback by themselves. That's why they are relying on the app users. They are asking app users to give the feedback, and they are giving few predefined options: cleanliness, staff behavior. Okay, what is the other two parameters, guys? In time or not, on time or not, on time, departure, on time, arrival. So basically, we will they'll give these predefined options to us in the feedback form. Based on the feedback that we give, for the future customers, they are going to give this rating. See, guys, for out of 500 users given this rating 3.8 or 4 for this particular service. So based on that, their future customers will feel comfortably, okay, so this service is having 4+ rating and it is under my budget, I'll go for opting this. So this way their business will get improved. And what's the insight there? The rating and feedback is the insight. Clear, guys? Same is applicable for Swiggy and Zomato also. Based on every historical order nothing but if I'm going to order food right now, 7:01 p.m. If it got delivered by 7:30 p.m., then my order is historical one. So because I'm allowed to give feedback on that particular order. So I'll say, okay, I have ordered food for total ABC. My rating is, so I'll give feedback this way: delivery experience, restaurant rating, tastiness, and delivery boy behavior, something like this. Whether able to reach address comfortably, or I need to guide him over a call. Like this, all these parameters, the
On
feedback,
time delivery.
yeah, on time delivery, everything. Yeah, perfect. So let's suppose on time delivery, rest taste. So like this, they'll give feedback and we will select the historical user, nothing but the guy who ordered already received. That guy will give this feedback. Based on that, the next customer who is going to order on this platform will have some rating information for that particular hotel tag. This way, it helps both hotel guy as well as the platform operator to improve their business. Remember, guys, how they are able to achieve this? They are maintaining this data in the
Hey,
form of digital.
Mara.
They're
Hey,
having,
Vihan, wind the
they're
book.
ha-
Hey,
Sir, there
wind
is a
the.
lot of disturbance.
guys, please everyone mute yourself. Yeah, thank you. So this is advantage of digitalizing our data. Once you have data in the digital format, once you have data in your digital format, then you will be able to analyze and draw conclusions or insights on your data, and based on that you can improve your business. Let's suppose how it helps to improve my business. If I suppose, let's suppose a hotel was consistently not performing good, and were given with some three-star rating, let's suppose. So what this platform guys and the hotel guys understood, if it is a manual process, I'll go and order some food, I'll eat it, I'll pay the bill, I'll come out. They will never receive my feedback digitally, right? But if we are able to have this hotel available on the digital platform, food ordering platforms, and if users able to give the feedback, then hotel guy understands, okay, so something issue with my taste of the food, so I need to change my master, or I need to do some improvements. I need to procure quality material, quality vegetables. Okay, I need to maintain cleanliness. I have to give some more quantity. Something, these actions can be taken by hotel guy, and going forward, he may get some 4 rating after some 500 or 1000 orders. So this way he'll be able to improve their business. True or not, guys? It doesn't mean only the positive feedback improve my business. It doesn't mean negative feedbacks will ruin my business. Remember, all negative feedbacks allows a business guy to improve their business. True or not, guys? Guys,
True, Sumit.
True.
negative feedbacks allows everyone improve themselves. Okay, negative feedbacks are important. People are positive where negative feedback helps to improve business, and whereas positive feedback, how it helps, guys? Positive feedback attracting customers. Clear or not? Clear, guys? Business operations, I'll say. Okay, so all these things can be done and achieved through a digitally available data platform, guys. Remember that once you have data digitalized, then we have such a facility to analyze and draw insights and improve our business. That's why every single business having their data digitalized. Okay, and this is going to become like right now we are having, I can say, some 30 to 40% business are having their data digitalized, guys. All rest of businesses are still working in manual mode, recording in papers and slips, something kind of thing. But everything is going to be digitalized in the near future, which allows us to have large market. Okay, right now due to wars and other recession related and covid post covid related issues, we're seeing some less number of openings available in the market. But going forward, if we have good knowledge on the data related technologies, then we are the ones who is going to have good demand in the market. So I'll conclude quickly here. So for digitalizing data, we need some data handling technology. True or not? I have my data available digitally, but how can I analyze? I need to have some mechanism, right? So that's why database came into picture, where it stores data digitally,
and security.
securely also. You can say digitally and securely. All other parameters are there, but at high level I'm speaking. Okay, securely you can say. And SQL is a language used to deal with data available in database. So I need everyone understand these 3 things, guys, right now in the session. What are the use cases are generally spoken ones, everyone can understand. But once you understand the importance of having your data digitalized, then what will happen? You need to have these 2 things available with you. to learn. Database, which stores the data, and SQL, which deals with the data. Deals with the data, nothing but analysis. Analysis is the key thing. Okay, we'll also create data using SQL, but analysis is the key thing. Once you analyze your data, you can draw insights. Based on the insights, you can improve your business. Clear, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for the day, guys. If you have any queries regarding a training program, you can ask. And I'll ask everyone to be available in the meeting by 6 p.m. so that we do not have any manual action to allow everyone, because by 6 p.m. if I can allow everyone, we can focus on discussing a topic in that particular session. And as we are providing all the trainings voluntarily, we are not going to use any commercial platform, something like Zoom or other things which automatically allows us. Okay. And I'm repeating one more time, we are having a website created like a learning portal. I'm repinging here. Okay, so that website contains all the trainings that we conducted so far, and also all future trainings that we are going to conduct from now. Okay, we'll have all that information available there. Go there and just have a look, and make sure, guys, you are regular and you're going to perform, like you are going to do all the assignments that we are going to give as part of our training. Okay, so we will learn SQL with the hands-on experience, guys. All the best, everyone. If you have any queries, you can reach out Sridhar in the WhatsApp group and pass on this message to your like, if you have any known people in your circle, just pass on the information and have them benefited from this trainings. And Shiva Sharma training recording will be available soon, like by tomorrow it will be available. Okay.